Let me sit.
Got the pass.
Oh boys, we won the lottery.
Yay.
Yay.
It is 6 o'clock in the morning. We just got in the car, and what did we see when we went out into our front yard?
Raccoon. Like how crazy is that? Like I paused it first. Like
I have never seen a raccoon here, and it was sitting right on top of our fence.
it's crazy.
Nevada Falls, and then we'll see the back of this. And we'll come along here, and we'll camp about here. So we'll be looking right up at that when we wake up.
That's sick.
Look at that tree up there, was all lit up, backlit from the sun. All right, selfie. All right, it is 10:30. We are beginning the mist trail section.
Oh.
Hey, we're going downhill. So that thing up there, that's called Liberty Cap, and the falls is right through those trees. So this is the mist trail, like proper. This is the one that's closed. So we are going to go up here on the John Muir Trail. So Nevada Falls is in 2.4 miles. And once we are there, we're basically just going to kind of flatten out and walk to camp. Ember, you have now hiked the entire width of the John Muir Trail.
Wow, that's so far. I'm so amazing. Oh my gosh. That is so deep.
We are way the heck up here. Look at the wall above us.
Sorry, we could touch that. That's terrifying.
That's Half Dome.
It's brighter on this side than I thought.
We tired yet?
Oh yes, very tired, but I don't want to sleep. When you want to break me, I don't want to sleep.
Look where we came from.
Yeah. I can't believe that's not even 3 miles yet.
A lot of winding. We're way up here. Clark's Point. Clark's Point, yeah. And that's Nevada Falls up there. How you feeling, love?
Tired.
Tired. We're at Clark's Point. It's a little after 1 o'clock. Girlie is rocking it, but it is hard. We're all the way down in the valley, and then we're right here. Okay.
Okay.
You're doing great. All right, more up. Thanks, sweetie.
Goes there. It's cool.
Yeah, we're doing it. Big Nevada Falls. Yeah, huh? Algae. So check it out, Billy. There it is. Yep. It's downhill, Ember. Look. Yeah, that's the river we'll be next to up there. And we won't be able to see it from our campground probably, but yeah, this is finally smooth sailing. We just kind of cruise down this. We are here. We are in Little Yosemite Valley. We did it, girlie. Now we can just cruise into camp. Look at this rock. Oh, it's just so gorgeous. Like I said, always put the handles out before you feel 1,000 degrees. I know how many times I've been like, okay, it's boiling, I'm done. And then these are folded in and they're like red hot and I can't touch
But at least we got a nice river right next to us.
How is it, girlie?
gosh, I was ready looking into open fish and it's like, I feel like I'm flying.
All right, girly. So now that it's almost over, what do you think about your first backpacking trip? Should we pick something harder?
No. I'm never walking again after this.
You did amazing. 10 miles, 2,500 or something feet of elevation gain. You did great.
Well, there were a lot of things on the way, so it was pretty worth it.
What was your favorite parts?
Seeing a woodpecker, getting really close to a bunch of squirrels. Definitely the meteor shower, which we saw last night, which was sick. It was fun, but tiring.
Yeah, this was a lot for your first time out, and especially because you got that kind of janky backpack on. I'm proud of you, girl. You did awesome.
Thanks.
You know, if your hike doesn't end with you swearing to never hike again, I don't think you've done enough work. There it is. Someone is happy to be done hiking. Love you, baby.